Today, I'm going to show you how to reduce or minimize the dynamic island on your iPhone. If you've ever felt like the pill-shaped area at the top of your screen is distracting, don't worry, you're not alone. And while Apple doesn't give us a full option to completely turn it off, I'll walk you through a few tricks that make it less noticeable and less distracting. The dynamic island is built right into the iPhone display. That means there's no switch to remove it completely. But the good news is you can control what appears there and even make it blend into your screen so it won't catch your eye as much. A lot of time, the dynamic island lights up because of notifications. To control this, go to Settings, Notifications. From here, pick the apps that you don't really want showing up and simply toggle Allow Notifications off. You can do this for things like games or apps that constantly pop up. This way, fewer apps will trigger the dynamic island and your screen will stay cleaner. Another common reason the dynamic island stays active is music or timers. For example, if you're playing music, it'll show album art and playback controls in the dynamic island. To clear it, just open your music or Spotify app and pause the song. The same goes for timers. Open the clock up and stop the timer. Once you stop these activities, the dynamic island will go back to its normal size and won't keep glowing at the top of your screen. Make the dynamic island less noticeable. Here's a neat trick to make the dynamic island blend into the background. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness and turn on Dark Mode. Then, choose a plain black wallpaper in Settings, Wallpaper. When your background is black, the dynamic island almost disappears into this screen and it won't be nearly as distracting. So, to recap, limit unnecessary notifications, stop apps like music or timers when you're not using them, and use dark mode with a black wallpaper to hide the dynamic island visually. It may not disappear completely, but these steps will make a huge difference in how much it interrupts you. And that's it. Simple, quick, and effective.